Hello everyone, welcome to Free Tutorials India. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable autosave functionality in your VS Code. There are people who do not know about this, so let's see today. Let's start. So auto format functionality is very useful whenever you code or you do anything. Whenever you save it, it will not auto save your code, or you can say it will not auto format your code, because this is not the by default functionality of VS Code. So if you want your code to be formatted automatically whenever you save it, you need to download an extension which is Prettier. You just need to type PRETTIER Prettier and install it. It is a extension that has been used to perform autosave functionality in VS Code. You just need to install it. Then once you install it, you need to click here and click on preferences, and there is a settings tab. Once you click on settings, then there are different kinds of settings that you can also do in your VS Code. In meanwhile, in between, I'll show you different tips and tricks of mine which I use for my VS Code. Today I'm showing you how you can auto format your code whenever you save it. So you just need to go to the text editor, formatting. In formatting, there are numerous options. You just need to click on format on save. This is where you have to click. So for some people, if you click on format or save, in that case also it will do not format your code automatically. You need to do something else. What you have to do in that case, you have to click here, as you can see, edit in settings.js. You need to click here, settings.js, and this is a command that you need to paste here. So this command will enable your auto format functionality using Prettier. Let me just show you. For example, this is the code. Let me just make it little unformatted. So whenever you save it, you can see it is formatting automatically. Let me just show you again. You can do anything, so it will save automatically. So this command I'll provide you in the description section, and through this command and through this simple steps you can enable auto format functionality in your VS Code. Hope you like this video, and in tomorrow's video we'll talk about React Native navigations. We'll start implementing stack navigation in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned and do subscribe Free Tutorials India, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It is very important to get the notifications of my latest videos. So stay connected, stay healthy, stay home.